Hi everyone, how are you? Thank you so much for watching. Before I begin unbagging my Bolzano handbag subscription, I want to say thank you so much to everyone who has entered my giveaway. I did select a winner and I will announce them in just a moment, but I just wanted to thank you all and let you know if you did not win, don't worry, I'm going to have another giveaway super soon. I already have some goodies gathered for that one, so look out for that. And if you have not subscribed, please do so because I do love giveaways, and if you like subscription boxes, that is what I do here every single day. So, congratulations. I just used Gleam to pick a winner and verify the actions, and the winner is Anna Hickman, and I will send you an email right after I'm done filming. So, congratulations. I cannot wait to send you your goodies. I hope you enjoy them. And like I said to everyone else who did not win, don't worry, I have another giveaway coming super soon. So, as the title suggested, I am opening Bolzano Handbag. So, this was actually at my Chicago home when I went back in November. So, I think this is a November purse. Hopefully, it's not the same as what I got last month. So, I think they had my address for both locations at the time since I moved from Chicago to Florida. So, let's see what is in here. It comes super cutely wrapped in this duster bag you can use again to store your purse or do how you please, and it's wrapped with a cute little ribbon. So this is a handbag subscription like I think I've said, and it also comes with accessories. So you get one handbag and 2 to 3 accessories with a value up to $250 total, and you pay only $33.95 per month. And if you want to subscribe and are interested in this subscription, I have a code to share with you guys. So if you use my code, which I will leave down below, how to do that, you will get a free gift with a retail value of $45. So if you're interested in that, definitely make sure to use my code so you get that free gift. So I am going to open up this bow and see what is inside. And thank you all who voted in my poll today. As of now, obviously this is the winner. It's only been up for like an hour and a half or so, and I think this is winning at 50%. So if another box comes on top, I'll try and do that one tomorrow for sure. Alright, so I just took the bag out and I am super excited. I got what I received last month, but in brown. I use this black bag, this exact bag in black, almost every day. It fits so much stuff. It's a great everyday bag, so I am so excited to have it in brown. The black bag has silver detailing right here. This is gold. This is so cute. Like, I seriously use the black bag. I love it. And then it comes with some jewelry pieces. Let me take this off and show you. So it comes in a little jewelry bag, which is convenient and nice. And this is similar. So the last one I had a silver bangle that went with the bag, and now I have it in gold. So that's nice. And then there's this super cute layered necklace. It's X and O. This is probably my favorite jewelry piece I've received by them. So it's like a multi-tiered necklace with X and O on it, and I always say XO, like hugs and kisses to everyone when I write, so I'm super excited about this. So overall, I think this is a win. I think it is definitely worth $33.95 just because I know I get so much use out of this bag in black, and now I have it in brown, so I can really wear these all the time with every outfit. So I definitely think it's worth it, and I highly suggest it if you're trying to build up your handbag subscription. You don't want to splurge on those really costly designer bags. This is definitely cool, and I love that you get some jewelry with it too. So it's really fun to receive. Thank you, Bolzano Handbags, for sending this to me. So that's it for the subscription box. Now let me grab my advent calendar. All right, so today is December 15th. It is halfway through December. Crazy. I hope you guys are all having a good weekend. Let me know if you did anything fun. It's kind of cloudy and like rainy here today in Florida, so I haven't done too much. Alright, looks like we got a hand cream, and I love L'Occitane hand creams. So this is in the almond line. So this is a hand and nail care cream. Awesome. Let's see if it has much of a scent. It does have that light almond scent I love. It's very lightly fragrant. It smells like kind of fresh too. It just smells very overall nice. And like if you're sensitive to scents, I don't think this would bother you. So awesome. I love hand creams. I have so many now thanks to this advent calendar. Anyways, thank you for watching and unboxing with me today, and thank you to everyone who entered my giveaway. I probably said that a million times. I really am grateful for all of you and that you are here with me. So I will contact the winner, Anna, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.